Type a easy pesto pasta recipe. YouTube short tutorial. Hey everyone, today's recipe is a classic pesto pasta. It's super easy, bursting with flavor, and perfect for a quick meal. Let's dive right in. Ingredients: fresh basil leaves, pine nuts. You can also use walnuts or almonds, freshly grated Parmesan cheese, garlic cloves, high-quality extra virgin olive oil. Your choice of pasta spaghetti, pen, or fusilli work great. Making the pesto in a blender or food processor. Add basil leaves, pine nuts, grated Parmesan, and garlic cloves. Blend these while gradually pouring in the olive oil until the mixture becomes a smooth paste. Add salt and pepper to taste. Your homemade pesto is ready. Preparing the pasta: cook your pasta in a large pot of salted, boiling water until it's al dente. Reserve a cup of pasta water and then drain the pasta. Combining together in a bowl, toss the cooked pasta with your freshly made pesto. Add a little pasta water to get the perfect saucy consistency. Serving: serve the pasta in a bowl or plate. You can garnish with extra Parmesan cheese or a few basil leaves. Closing: there you go, delicious pesto pasta ready in minutes. It's fresh, flavorful, and so easy to make. Hit that like button if you enjoyed this recipe and subscribe for more quick and delicious dishes. Enjoy your meal.